We have a new project! We're gonna update our linen closet. Well, we're gonna show them our linen closet so then y'all can see how bad it is. A whole mess, guys. Look at this. Real life. We're always showing them the real stuff, right?
The days of our lives.
We're gonna be working in this hallway, but before we start everything else, we need to tackle this. Dun dun dun. When I was little, my mom used to put these balls in my hair all the time. I think she put them on till I was like being 11, 12 years old. I used to cry because every little girl in my class was able to have their hair down curly or straight, and I was the only one with balls all over my head because my mom wanted to make sure I looked young for as long as possible. I had them all over my head and I used to cry. And then one day the teacher called everybody into the nurse's office. I was like, why are they calling into the nurse's office? I go to the nurse's office and my stuff is already parted really nice. Like 5 girls called lights except me. I was like, go ahead, mama, go ahead.
Okay guys, my wife got everything out the closet. Now we can set up for demo. Let's go. All right guys, first things first. I'm gonna remove all the shelving and get ready to cut back all my shelf supports. By cutting these back, this will give me the 2.5-inch reveal I want for the overhang. Now is the time to skim out the sheetrock for imperfections and then sand.
What color did you go with today, sir?
I went with a satin white for the closets, my dear. And you know what?
You can't really hear yourself. Take this off. You don't need this right now. You're not saying anything.
I went with a satin white, ma'am. We're going with satin white for the closet today. How do you like that color? White. Huh?
What kind of white? Bare white?
We're going with satin white.
Yeah. Baby.
Let's paint.
Did you paint your eyelashes, guys?
What? What?
White.
Oh my gosh. Let's paint! It is cold out here. I'm not gonna be out here long. I'm gonna sand all these down here. Get these where I want them to be. This is our next project that we have coming up pretty soon. Gonna be installing some flooring, mainly for our kitchen. So that's our upcoming project, maybe for spring. All right, so other than that, how you like my glasses? Took them from my wife. Anyways, let's get back upstairs.
What's going on over here? You got 2 done. Okay, cool. So you created those 2 pieces by cutting, well, using the existing one and then cutting another one. How many inches?
I cut it 29 3/4 inches left to right, and then attach that with the face. The face is a 2.5-inch face.
Okay, so it looks like it's a floating shelves, but it's not.
Right.
And then that's why it's so long though, but those are 2 separate pieces of wood that are put together. Did you Gorilla Glue those together?
Yep.
and then he put wood glue on top, covered it, and it makes it look like it's one full piece. Is that what you did?
Right.
Okay. Cool.
Let's go.
What are you gonna go do, baby?
All right, we're gonna get something to eat. What are you thinking? Fast food? Something fast.
Something fast.
Yep.
I want a salad.
Nothing healthy, something fast.
No, I want a salad from Wendy's.
Oh, salad? Oh, I'm gonna get the 5 for $5. Maybe a Baconator.
I think I'm gonna get the avocado. Avocado.
You trying to
avocado.
You trying to act like you're on a diet going to Wendy's? Please. Woo.
We've arrived at our destination. Dinner.
Dinner is served. Girl, you better be cooking inside because I'm going to get up in there. Oh boy.
Look at how he orders foods, guys.
Wow. Jeez. We should get this food for free.
Hi, welcome to Wendy's. What can I get for you?
Hey, what's going on? How you doing this evening?
Good, how are you?
I'm doing all right. Yeah, let me take a Southwest avocado, large. And I think I'm gonna grab me a $5 biggie bag.
All right, what's your drink?
Let me do a, what do we got? Actually, the screen is not lighted up. Ah, there you go.
Go ahead.
Hooking me up at night.
I'm sorry.
It's okay. It's okay.
Wait a minute, is that the same person? You're scaring me.
I'm sorry.
All right, let me do a junior bacon cheeseburger.
She
You said the biggie bag, so what did you want to drink with that biggie bag?
Biggie bag. Let me do a
I want strawberry lemonade.
strawberry lemonade, and also I'm on the side. I'm gonna put a peach lemonade, both medium size. I know, long day, huh?
Yeah.
Oh man, I just got off work myself.
Anything else?
That's it. All right.
All right.
Thank you.
All right, thank
You're
you.
welcome.
So far we separated the toilet paper into this bin. And let me just say that every item that we purchased here has come from, most of the items are from Target, it's super cheap. And then we bought some stuff from Home Goods.
$3 right here for a 2-pack. And Mom bought all of them.
Yeah. And then, so we bought this from Home Goods and it came with cottons, the pads, and the Q-tips, and we actually separate them. So this came in handy, something I bought a few weeks back, and we separated them.
Okay.
Just separate the soaps and stuff. And the one thing I love about these plastic bins, they're stackable.
Nice.
So you can stack them however you see fit. If you want to put these two on top, you can put them, and then they come in tubs.
That's gonna save space.
That's gonna save us so much room, and hopefully it's gonna be so much neater because this is what we're currently living like. See, things in here, things in this bin, and there's one more bin out there. So it's gonna look nice, and it's also gonna be functional. The paper's gonna go right up here. Second show?
Yeah.
Now he's an organizer.
Hey, give me the other one now. There's our brushes. Oh, babe, look at that. Perfect.
Looking good. It's perfect size.
Ooh, that's gonna go there.
Okay.
This lotions has to be down here.
Okay. Yes, definitely. I'm seeing it.
Tell we need more of. So I'll put that hair stuff down there too. So it's gonna go here,
Okay.
right? Here. This isn't already here, I think.
Cotton balls.
Cotton balls.
It's for the girls.
This for your mouth.
Floss.
Flossers. Tips. What will we do without our Q-tips?
Gotta have those. Looking good.
Looking good. Last towel, baby.
Woo, come on.
Last towel.
And it's looking good, baby.
The thing that I
Yes.
like about the closet is that when Mom asks me to get something and I'm a scavenger for it, like before, I can just know where it is and I can just get it.
Yeah, it is. That's right.
Oh, we bought this bin right here, and we're not sure if it's gonna fit. We got it at Home Goods for $30. Not Home Goods. Not Home Goods. Marshalls for $30. So, oh, we also took out. There was another one of these shelves down here, and we took it out because we do want our hamper for dirty clothes in here. Okay, so this is $30. So 30. Each of these bins, well, they're all different prices. I think this was $4. This was $5. These small ones were $4, and the tops are $1 each. Target, amazing. We got these at Target for $3 each, and there was a pack of 2. This we got at Marshalls for $7. This we got at Marshalls, I think it's for $6. The back, can you see it back there? Yeah. These 2 bins we got, where did we get these?
We got those at
Marshalls.
Was that Marshalls?
No, we got it at Target. We got it at Target for $8 each.
Yeah.
And we got this in Target for $8, and again, those bins. And I'm telling you guys, this will save you guys so much space. We were debating because we didn't know how it would look, but now that I'm looking at it, I absolutely love it, and I'm so happy that we got them. So yeah, here is our DIY, easy, affordable closet makeover. I love the fact that these are faux built-in shelves. Beautiful, it looks clean. Yeah. We pulled this off in what, 2 days? With all the work that we are doing and stuff like that, I'm proud because the YouTube is making us stay committed and keeping us accountable to doing projects in our home. So I'm excited because the next week's project will be finishing up this hallway, and we have so much more to do up in here. All right. All right, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Like, share, subscribe. Bye.